These flicks are surely gonna leave you amazed. Welcome to Flixzy.com. I'm your host Siddhivinayak Dubey, and today we are counting down our top 10 Bollywood movies based on true stories. But before we get started, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Number 10, Black Friday. Based on the true events of Bombay bomb blast, the film chronicles both sides of attack.
ये कौन सा सामान है भाई? AK-56 पाकिस्तानी आर्मी का सामान है.
Communal riots which instigated extreme and panicked assaults and revenge. This story is told from the perspective of all parties involved, the police, the victims and the men behind the conspiracy.
टाइम हो गया.
Number 9, Special 26. Ajay Singh and PK Sharma pose as government officials to steal back money from the corrupt politicians and businessmen.
असली पावर दिल में होती है.
अरे मैं क्या करता यार? मेरी तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. मेरी तो फटी पड़ी.
CBI officer Wasim Khan is determined to take down the duo.
हम CBI से असली वाले.
Ajay and Sharma plans their final heist, the biggest they've ever planned, to settle down with their earnings and family.
CBI means that you are the best.
I'm the best. I'm the best, बोला sir.
This movie is based on 1987 opera heist and takes us deep into the minds of these con men as they took people.
एक बात याद रखना तुम लोग. असली पावर दिल में होती है.
Number 8, Madras Cafe. Set in the thick of Sri Lankan civil war, Major Vikram Singh is sent to Sri Lanka by RAW to find a way to defuse the situation and end the war.
वैसे भी तुम यहाँ पे बिल्कुल सेफ नहीं हो.
सेफ तो मैं कहीं नहीं हूँ सर.
War correspondent Jaya Sahni provides information on the rebels and advice.
Criticizing our national policies doesn't make me anti-national.
A gritty and realistic version of the war, Madras Cafe is based on many real-life events and people.
जो हम देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, सच सिर्फ उतना नहीं होता.
Number 7, Sarkar. Sarkar is very loosely based on Bal Thackeray. He is a don of the Bombay underworld.
मेरा मतलब समझाने की कोशिश भी मत करना, रशीद. मैं जानता हूँ माल क्या है और क्यों आ रहा है.
His son Vishnu is reckless and hot-headed, while his other son Shankar worships his father. Sarkar is suddenly framed for the murder of a politician, and Shankar must protect his father and his empire while being assaulted from every side.
ये तो मार खाने वाला है. अगर बीच में आओगे तुम लोग भी खाओगे. अब तय करो, रहना है या जाना है.
Number 6, Neerja. Young Neerja is a flight attendant with a very loving family. Her life takes a drastic turn for the worst when the flight she is on is hijacked by the terrorist.
लाडो का प्लेन वो कराची गया था ना, तो वो हाईजैक हो गया.
और नीरजा?
Neerja is forced to make choices that will either save the flight or doom them all. This movie is based on the story of Neerja Bhanot,
Good morning, captains. I'm Neerja Bhanot. I'm your head purser today.
who managed to save 359 people in the terrorist attack.
इसकी कुंडली में लिखा था कुल का दीपक बनेगी ये.
Number 5, मैं और Charles. Charles Sobhraj is a criminal, starting with petty theft and fraud and moving on to the ranks of murder.
गौतम बुद्ध का अवतार है चार्ल्स.
I look like the devil.
He catches the attention of Officer Amod Kant, who wants to bring him down.
क्या है वो? है क्या चीज? चोर है वो, उचक्का है, मर्डरर है. Let's catch the bastard.
His suave and cunning nature is airy and completely true of his real-life counterpart.
Just joking.
Number 4, No One Killed Jessica. Jessica Lal, a bartender, was murdered and no one seems to know who did it. Her sister Sabrina is determined to find the killer.
क्या आपको डर नहीं लग रहा? वो छूट भी तो सकते हैं.
नहीं.
Reporter Meera teams up with Sabrina after realizing that despite being at a crowded party, none of the 300 witnesses to Jessica's murder saw anything.
क्या किसी की जिंदगी की कीमत इतनी कम है हमारी कंट्री में?
Let's nail the bastards.
In a heated pursuit for justice, two women stand together against political pressure and women coercion.
देखा है आपको टीवी पे. मैंने लड़ाई कभी ऐसे देखी नहीं थी, बड़ा मजा आया देखकर।
वहाँ होते ना तो फट के हाथ में आ जाते।
Number 3. Once upon a time in Mumbai. Sultan is smuggling overload of Mumbai. Though he is known for his kind heart and principles,
हमारी तस्वीरें खींच के अपनी दुकान में लगा लेना शोएब, कभी जरूरत पड़े तो दोनों में से एक भगवान चुन लेना।
he encounters Shoaib, a young rogue with a lot of potential, and takes him under his wing.
क्या प्यार में हल्का हल्का मारती है, जोर से मारना।
Their bond creates a stronger empire, one that is under constant attack by police and rival gangs.
हिम्मत बताई नहीं, दिखाई जाती है।
Number 2. Airlift. After Iraq invaded Kuwait in August,
मिशन के बारे में बात करनी थी।
a businessman single-handedly saved the lives of 1.7 lakh stranded Indians. He puts his life after the lives of his fellow countrymen so they can reach back home safely.
हमारी कोई औकात नहीं है, अगर हमारी पहचान है तो सिर्फ एक, कि हम कोईती नहीं हिंदुस्तानी हैं।
This movie is based on the traumatic events of 1990 in Kuwait of a shrewd and successful NRI businessman Ranjit Katyal.
यहाँ बहुत से जिनकी गिनती में 10 दिन पहले दिल्ली नहीं थी, कुवैती समझने लगे थे अपने आप को।
आदमी की फितरत ही ऐसी है इब्राहिम, चोट लगती है ना तो आदमी मामा ही चिल्लाता है सबसे पहले।
Number 1. Padman. Padman is a socially driven film.
Big man, strong man, not making country strong.
Bringing to light the plight of women who still use unhygienic products during their menstrual cycle.
हम औरतों के लिए बीमारी से मरना शर्म के साथ जीने से बेहतर है।
शर्म को पकड़ के बीमारी के नाले में गिर जाओ सब।
Based on the life of Lakshmikant, the film encapsulates his struggle as he attempts at making a machine which provides women with affordable and cheap sanitary pads.
बैटमैन उड़ना छोड़ के धरती पे क्या कर रहा है?
Watch Lakshmikant battle numerous conflicts not only with the society at large but also in his private life.
Bloody men, half hour man bleeding like woman, they straight dying.
So, that is all from our side. Do tell us your favorite Bollywood movies that are based on true stories in the comment section given below. Until then, peace.